So, shall we give him a big hand? The last time I was here in Madrid was to negotiate for the peace of Iraq. That was a long time ago, and I remember that was the biggest challenge in my career, because I don't know if you remember the Filipino who was a hostage in Iraq. His name was Angelo de la Cruz. And one morning, 3 o'clock in the morning, President Arroyo calls me and he said, you have to come to the palace. There's a Filipino who's going to be killed in 24 hours. Oh, that they will kill him if we do not withdraw our troops from Iraq. Can you imagine? Wake up at 3 o'clock, that the life of a human being is in your hands. And so I gathered our senior staff in the PFA. At 5 o'clock, we were in Malacanang in the morning. And what do you do? I think it is one of the biggest challenges that the Filipino diplomat has today. With the number of Filipinos overseas, each life for us is a very important life, because we do realize the role that you play